Just put up our tomato trellis using our old tobacco sticks. Just started with it the other day. Got kind of windy out. Didn't want plants to blow over. These things come in handy, that's for sure. They're doing pretty good for having been basically dead a month ago. Especially that one. That one's already got tomatoes on it. Just put 7 dust out on them the other day, or red devil dust. Had a problem last year with tobacco worms eating my plants up. Looked like the deer had been eating the tips off of them. It was in nasty tobacco worms. Big green marshmallow looking things. Hopefully we don't have them this year. Those things will eat peppers, tomatoes, eggplant, tobacco. They're all in the same family actually. What happened last year, they got started on the tomatoes. Then when I poisoned the tomatoes, they jumped over to the peppers, poisoned the peppers, and then they jumped over and started eating the eggplant. Then once I poisoned the eggplant, they jumped over to the rabbit tobacco. And had a lot of moths out here earlier this month, and this month too, flying around, so I wanted to kind of nip it in the bud. Just got done raining here a little bit ago. I didn't know if it was they were calling for rain, but you don't ever know around here. It seems like every time they call for rain, it'll rain for 30 seconds and then quit. So I try to water twice a day, morning and night. Keep everything decent. I should have bought 2 bundles of those sticks. I only bought 1 bundle of 30. Just got them anchored at the end with sticks and twine holding them together. Then as they grow, I'll add more twine as they grow up. We had them one year, and I had to use regular hog wire trellis because those tobacco or tomato plants were maybe 7 feet tall. They don't get that big here. That was at the old house. They're more productive here. Soil's a little bit better than at the old house, even you worked on it. All right, thank you. Take care. See you next time.